Hi students, the question is from mathematics. Okay, so the question is given as the three set of equations are given and we have to find out whether they have a solution or whether it is inconsistent. Okay, so the system of equation is said to be having consistent equation if they have a common solution. Otherwise it is said to have a inconsistent. They are called as a inconsistent equation. So the three equations given are x plus y equals to 1, equation 1, 2x plus y equals to 1, 3x plus 2y equals to 3. So these are the three equations given for us and we have to solve this equations and find out whether they have common solution or not. Okay, so from equation 1, just take y equals to will be what? X minus 1, right? So if I put x equals to 0, y will be minus 1, right? And if I put y equals to 0, x will be 1. So when I'm drawing this x and y axis, okay, this will be y, x minus y, right? This will be 0, be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so this is an x and y axis. So for this value x equals to 0, y is minus 1, right? So this will be right here. And for this, so our point will be, this line will become like this, right? So this is the straight line for x y equals to 1. Okay, now the second equation, from equation 2. From equation 2 what we have? 2x plus y equals to 1, right? So I can write y equals to 2x minus 1. So if I put x equals to 0, this y will become again minus 1, and if I put y equals to 0, x will become minus 1 by 2. Okay, so where this will point, x equals to 0, this remain the same point, this point will remain same, and then again for y equals to 0, this is this is plus 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 2 somewhat here. So the line will look like this. So this line is 2x plus y equals to 1. Okay, now the third equation, from equation 3 we have 3x plus 2y equals to 3, right? So I can write as y equals to 3x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Fine. So if I put x equals to 0, y will become what? Minus 3 by 2. And if I put y equals to 0, x will be 1. Okay, so if I put x equals to minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.5, right? So somewhere around this minus 1.5, so this will be something like this. And for x is equals to 0, so this will be the line, right? So this equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 3. So we got three equations. We are seeing that from this graph, from this particular graph, we came to know that 1 and 2 is having common solution, right? And also 1 and 3 have common solution. But whether all three are having common solution, no. But equation 1, 2 and 3 together don't have any common solution. Okay, so I can say that, I can conclude that the system of equation is inconsistent. Fine. So the answer will be D. Okay. Thank you.